New York City 911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police.
Okay, and what is the address, please?
I don't know. It's the Boost Mobile Store on 174th and Bryant.
Is that East 174th Street in Bryant?
Yes.
Bryant Avenue. Okay, so East 174th Street and Bryant Avenue in the Bronx, and you said the Boost Mobile Store?
Yeah, it's in like a little mall.
Mobile store inside Little Mall?
Yes.
What happened there? What is the emergency?
Somebody has a gun. I think he's trying to rob the mall, the store.
Stand right there.
Well, let's say
stand right
shows
there.
that
I'm standing right here. What am I standing here for? Stand right there.
Boss, don't move.
No, I didn't even do nothing.
Just chill out, just chill out. Be advised, Central, somebody over the fireman. Put it down! Put it down! Put it Shots fired, Central, shots fired!
Boss, stand right there for me. Stand right there. Stand right there.
I'm standing right here. Also, what am I standing here for?
Stand right there.
Boss, don't move.
You're not listening to what I'm saying.
Nothing, man.
Now, don't touch me, bro. Shots fired, Central. Shots fired.